Hi everyone, I'm Chewvy. Welcome to Budstream. This project is an interactive installation designed to show how cigarette butts travel from land to the ocean, highlighting their environmental impact. It also focuses on SDG 14, Life Below Water. In the installation, I used recycled materials to create buildings and created the trees from sponge and iron wire. All of the animations will be using projection mapping on the central platform. I've incorporated 6 touch sensors connected to an Arduino, allowing the audience to pick up a cigarette butt and simulate disposing of it in an ashtray. Through this interaction, they'll see how small actions can make a big difference. The visual guide them through the journey of a cigarette butt from land to ocean, with animations transitioning from bright, vibrant colors to darker tones, and finally to a striking red showing how a small cigarette butt can harm marine life. Through this installation, I hope to raise awareness about the impact of cigarette butts and inspire change. Every little action matters. By making thoughtful choices, we can all play a part in protecting our oceans and marine life. Let's work together to ensure our actions today lead to a healthier and cleaner future of our planet.